Brian back here with a look at Myro. We got something very big to show you that a bottom could be in here, right? Huge, actually. Once this indicator comes in, usually a bottom is in and you're headed back to the upside, right? So we're going to take a look at that here in a second. First off, I want to come over here and let you take a look at the crypto bubbles, all right? Pretty decent day out there today. Obviously, these are your top 100 tokens. Oh, there it goes. Just updated. All right, Ordi, Sats, Uni. Good to see Uniswap doing something. Aave, HBAR, Flow. Let's see where Myro's at on this. Myro's actually having a pretty decent day here. It's up quite a bit. Let's see. 0.0657, 2.5% it says on here. On the chart over here, it lists it as 9.8%. All right. Right as of now was just up over 10% a little bit ago. But so each of these go on different time frames, you know, when their day resets on here. So for the week down 17.3 and for the month down 36.7%. The fear and greed index, it is now, let's reload this. Was at a 26 yesterday. Today it is at same 26. So hasn't moved one bit. Still in the fear. On one click more and we are in extreme fear. Like I said, that's normally, that's a good place to be if you're looking for a bounce, right? Usually when the market's in the fear, everybody's panicking, wondering if they should sell, wondering if they should hold. You know, that's usually a pretty good time, and that's usually a good time to buy. You know, not saying that right now to go out and buy a bunch of crypto. That's not what I'm telling you. But historically, you know, when we're in extreme fear, usually turns out, you know, looking back, it turns out to be a good time to buy. All right, Bitcoin here. If we come out on a 4-hour chart, I was watching this. I'm in a little bit of a Bitcoin trade right now. You know, looking for an ABC here, possibly down to 56.5. Now, if it takes out this high over here at 59.9, then this is out of play. But we'll see what happens here. Right now, trying to make a little bit of a retracement back up here. If we put a fib on this move, you know, this whole move from back over here, there you can see it's right about a 382 right now, just about there. All right, the 4-hour RSI is right near the top. The 8-hour just turned up, 12-hour just turning up, and your daily is just turning up. All right, so Bitcoin looking pretty decent here, actually. I'm watching it to make a move here. You know, I was looking for this ABC. Might not come in with these RSIs looking the way they are. That might have been the bottom there. It might have been a little more of a corrective move we're getting out of this thing. So we'll see what happens here. But Bitcoin, possibly, you know, you possibly could have a bottom that came in here. 57.1. All right, I was looking for another $600. Might not get that move. Looking, it's breaking resistance out of here and trying to make a move up here. All right, now if we come over to Myro, got some really good news here. Now I talked about this this low right over here, right about 6.1, 6.2, right in that range. All right, and I said if it did not hold that, then more than likely it was coming down here towards that 3 cent area, or a possible double bottom. If you go back and watch that video, them words definitely come out of my mouth. You know, if it holds there at this range, that would be beautiful. Double bottom scenario. All right, now if you look on the 12-hour, this blue line right here, okay, you have this low and you have a lower low. The RSI, you have this low and you have a higher low. Okay, that's bullish divergence right here. Okay, that low and that low. You have bullish divergence on the 12. You have bullish divergence on the daily. All right, you have this low here, and you have a higher low coming in on the RSI. All right, so you got bullish divergence on 2 big time frames here. Not sure there is a weekly, but not enough of one. So we have bullish divergence on the higher time frames, the 12-hour and the daily. The daily has just turned up. The 12-hour is just on its way up. Let's look at the 3-day and the 5-day. 3 days actually bearish at 10 and 18, and your 5-day is bullish. Okay, now for absolutely 100%, this low here, you are definitely 100% that has to hold. Okay, if that does not, if this turns out to be just a fake bottom here, yeah, then look for the 3 cents. But looking like a double bottom scenario here. All right, this thing definitely came right back down to this area and has held and has bullish divergence. All right, so we have numerous things that say this could be a bottom, and we have the RSI heading to the upside. Now, a very, very key area to take out is going to be this right here. All right, right here at what is that, about 0.071. All right, that's this low right here. You can see we had to run up. We came back down, tested that as support now, ran back up, we busted through it. Now we do not want to come back and test it now as resistance and then roll over. You want to see a break through that 7.1, all right, and regain this as support and work our way up. That would be the bullish scenario here. Okay, so number one, you want to see this low. Knock it, that low has to hold. Okay, if it doesn't, if it broke down below that, I would definitely say we're going to 3 cents. But with the bullish divergence, the RSI looking as good as it does, and everything pointing towards the upside, Bitcoin, on the daily has turned up. Things are looking pretty good here. So I definitely think a bottom has come in here. The site I use to long and short, I cannot long and short Myro. I wish I could. All right, I would be looking to put a Fibonacci on this thing and wait for a 618 pullback and getting in for sure. All right, you might want to keep an eye on that. You got the 1 hour RSI coming down. All right, that's pulling down over. We're getting pretty high up there. 30 minute, pulling down, and you got. You notice here on price, you have this high, you have a higher high and a higher high. Well, down here on the RSI, you have this high, a lower high, then a lower high coming in. All right, so that's showing more than likely a pullback is coming for Myro right now. Watch for it to come down here. Let's pull this over so we can see the price. Let's just redo it. I'd be looking for a bounce on a 618, 702. Which is going to be around, right around 6.2, 0.062. That's a 618, 702. I'm going to put a box here, but next time we come back to the video, we'll know that's exactly. It might even only pull back to 50%. Usually on a strong move, you'll only get a 50% pullback and then a bounce out of here. So I'll be watching this, and we'll see what happens in the next video here. But definitely, I think a bottom has come in for Myro, so watch for a move to the upside. Possible pullback here on the hourly, back to around the 6.2 area, and then a bounce out of here. Possibly might bounce around 6.3. That's 50% retracement. Might be all you get out of it as a pullback, and then a rip up out of here. Wave 3. That's where you want to get in. That's usually your strongest and biggest move. So keep an eye on Myro, guys. Thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe. Sign up for a level 3 membership. Come over and join us. That gets you a link to the Discord, and it gets you over 10 hours of videos to watch. And then a link to the Discord to come trade with us over there. So have a great day, everybody. I will talk to you very soon.